Everyone wants swanky cars and luxury watches on their wrist. No matter what industry you're in or which country, Rollies remain Rollies, right? Now, how do you become a bling king but also be a part of that community from the start? Simple. Buy your Rolexes. And now, flip them. Hey everyone, welcome back to Just Hustle. Today, we're going to be talking about the 5 steps to making money by flipping watches. If this is your first time on our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to get updates on all the new content we put out. Show us some love while we help you make some money. Alright, let's get straight into it. Step 1. Research. Before you become a watch dealer, make sure to do a fair amount of research and keep up with the watch trends. Keeping up with the trend should be easy, considering social media does half the work. You just need to follow the right pages or search for the right hashtags from time to time. Even simply Googling watches should help you out here. The top watches that pop up are usually the ones that are trending at the moment. Oh hey, make sure to cross-check this info with the retail markets or wholesale markets like watchwholesalers.com or fair.com. Once you're done with your research, you'll have a fair idea of the styles that your target audience has their eyes on. Step 2. Setting up the business. Getting yourself registered as a watch dealer goes a long way in helping you establish yourself as a credible seller. Oftentimes, it also gives you access to a number of conventions that can open you up to more business. Step 3. Find yourself a good watch source. Being a registered watch dealer helps a lot when it comes to finding the right manufacturer or wholesaler dealer to partner with. Just search for watch retailers or distributors and you'll find thousands of them online. Use this method for some of your more exclusive products. Stick to distributors when it comes to buying watches that you know would sell faster. You can also buy from people who are selling their old ones. eBay is a great place to look, provided you hit the right key phrases. Step 4. Generating sales. Each watch needs to be priced according to its demand. If you price them too high, they won't sell. But if you price them too low, not only will you be missing out on the extra cash, but also bringing the authenticity of your watch into question. Having an online presence through your own website and social media goes a long way in generating sales. Make sure you're up to date with all the watch trends. This way, you can host a sale every month or two and put the ones that are in fashion on sale. Things on hot sale usually sell faster. Another extremely important thing is to understand that your product is everything. You have to know your product inside out. You have to know all the features, structure, models, the make, the best watches in a certain price range, everything. When you start dropping facts like "you're Drake," people are going to know that you're legit. This helps in making you a real and honest brand people would want to rely on. Understand what the people need and make them believe that you are all they need. Step 5. Network and market. When it comes to business, regardless of which industry you're in, having the right network of people is extremely important. Make friends with people in the industry like the manufacturers or wholesalers you partner with, people who repair watches, pawn shop owners. Even knowing other people who flip watches could be a great contact to have. Spending some extra bucks to get professional photographs of your product is a must. It makes for cleaner advertisements on social media and your website. You can also sell your watches on eBay or Facebook, but if you really want to get in on the money, Chrono24 would be a great option. You can even buy watches from Chrono24 and then resell them later. It's one of the biggest platforms for watches. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you aren't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and go flip some watches. Until next time, just hustle.